Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday. I just got done with the live trading session this morning and had a really good time. But let's look back. If you guys actually traded yesterday and today, for me speaking, I've been trading for 15 plus years. The last 2 days have actually been the hardest 2 days trading ever. Like, I'm not going to lie. Yesterday, I was able to make $550, $60. I showed you guys. Today, I ended up calling out between Ron and myself in the Discord. 6 trades total, 4 winning trades and 2 losses. But, sometimes the losses on these ended up adding up a little bit more. So I actually ended up down for the day. And I want to just be here and transparent because I told everyone this in the live session. Price action today didn't follow an actual trend and was whipsawing all over the place. So it currently puts our total for the last 5 sessions, 41 trade callouts, 3 losses. We're at a 93% win rate on the trade callouts that we give. And I'm keeping track of all these analytics. And of course, this is all recorded live. So if anyone has questions on that, you can actually go back to our live recordings if you're in the group and take a look at it. But I have a really positive note that I want to go over here first, and then I'll go over the price action of today. And that is, I want you guys to take a look at this trader's trading setup. This is brilliant. Take a look on the job trading with iPads and in his car using simple market metrics. And the best part about this? Guess what? Just sent me a certification. Got all of his accounts to pro. Congratulations. Now this shows you that, excuse me guys, you don't need 3 to 6 monitors in front of you looking at all these different charts and things. This is literally done on a work site in his van or job, pouring concrete and able to pass these accounts. I am just so excited. Shout out to SRM Concrete. Not sponsored or anything by him, but hey, if you're gonna wear the shirt and send a great photo, I might as well tell you. Great job. I just want to say that. It blows me away of everyone's trading setup. I'm trading here in a garage that's super kind of like run down and running this group with you guys on YouTube. And this is where I do the live calls, excuse me, on Tuesday and Thursday. But let's look at this again. Price action was just difficult. You know what? Let's just chalk it up as a couple crazy days. There just wasn't much going on. Were there some good quality setups to the long side with playing longs and then shorts? Yes, but something you have to really look out at that actually gave us the most success rate on the profitable trades was the ATR down here. If you're trading the 1 minute or 2 minute time frame, typically within the last few days and months, and let's be honest, normal trading, this is closer to around 10, probably 10, 20, 30, 40, sometimes 50. So getting a 5-point target is very realistic because we're taking almost 50% or a quarter of that movement. Well, when you're down like this with 5 to 6 even, our profit target needs to be at least 50% of that, which would be 3 points. Now, 3 points doesn't seem like a lot, but if you look at this and you scalp out and you say, okay, where is actually 3 points instead of 5 points? You'll notice that the targets are hit much more. If you were to clone this, and you look back, you're like, okay, well, that's a good winning trade. There's a good winning trade. Let's clone this again. Did we get a downside trade here? Yes. You see how a majority of these, even off the buy and sell signals, were able to be populated? And when we're calling these out, they hit profit targets much quicker. Yes, you are going to have some that kind of go against you, but we analyze that in live market conditions. But what I want you to tell you guys is when you get days like this, look at this ATR with your metrics and gauge your profit target based off of that. The days of, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 point profits, it's going to come back. This is just a crazy last couple of days. Trust me, I'm part of a lot of other trading groups that I follow, and I'm getting messages from them even from multi-million-dollar traders that I know. They're like, Justin, this has been a crazy couple of days. So you know what? It is. Yesterday I did okay. Today I lost. It's all right. So what I'm going to do, come back on Thursday, come back the following week with you guys live as many times as possible to give you the best education, going over not only A+ long, short, but reversal trades as well to help capitalize and just get you guys to a point where you can go to eval to pro to payout. And that is exactly what I'm here to do. So actually in the comments, let's do this. If you guys found it difficult today, I want to hear it. It's okay. I know not all these videos I do are going to be sunshine and rainbows, but it's really important to do these videos too so you guys know that I'm real. You know that everything that we do is real. Nothing's guaranteed in life, and sometimes you're just going to get crazy price action, right? So all I want to do is leave this saying, to start off with, congratulations. And your trading environment of this is brilliant. You're amazing. Thank you so much for sending the email over. But guys, if you want to end up actually joining us, you can join us live every Tuesday and Thursday with Ron and myself. That goes over every trade setup, all the calls. We've currently got a 93% win rate. on recorded videos every Tuesday and Thursday with you guys. Take a look at some member profits. I would definitely do this first, grab the metrics, because right afterwards I'll send you an email that'll actually give you 50% off everything. This is only for this month. This ends at the end of the month. It'll drop this from $99 down to $49.50. So the absolute best deal you guys can possibly get right now. So go ahead and go over to the education first and then grab the metrics. So that is it for today. I will see you guys. I'll probably be trading, tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. So I'll be trading Wednesday and back on Thursday and then next week afterwards. So thank you guys so much and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. God bless.